Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon anywhere you are, because I know a lot of you are listening to me from different part of the world. Yes, this channel is a channel that based on accuracy, that give news to the people. Today, we have two very strong headlines. One, food blockage, and the IGP, Mr. Adamu, asked Igbo leaders to caution IPOB and Eastern Security Network. Thank you. If this is your first time of coming across our news, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and also hit on the bell button for more notification anytime we post our videos here. Today, we are going to start with a food blockage. Northern Nigerian farmers and the food sellers lose over 10 million in a week. Did you hear it? They lose up to 10 million. I know they are going to lose them all. They are going to lose them all since they have decided to block the vehicles that are bringing food to the southwest and the southeast. What are they expecting? They will expect the more. Now let us go to the news in detail. The Amalgamated Union of Foodstuff and the Cattle Dealers of Nigeria across the northern part of Nigeria resolved to divert the goods and all the consumable goods to the neighboring countries of Niger Republic and Cameroon. As of the south, sending away criminals, Fulani bandits, and the herdsmen. That is why they are sending away all the food that will come to southeast and southwest to Niger and Cameroon. The union started blocking trade routes to the south by stopping food items, leading trucks from going to south. However, the marketers are crying as they have no market across the country and their goods are spoiling faster. What do you expect? You are not crying even yet. You've not started crying. Most of our perishable goods, foodstuffs have spoiled because even the countries we are moving these goods to have these goods. So what is happening is when we get there, they won't buy. Most of the foodstuff they won't buy till we will just dash it out to give it to them out or even dump them. You see, you have not started dumping. Very soon you dump your trailers there. We need to stop this blockage and see ourselves as one. There is no difference between an Igbo man, Hausa, and the Hausa, Yoruba, and the Fulani. Our leaders can unite us. They conclude. You see, our leaders can unite us. They conclude. You people have not seen anything because herdsmen and the Fulani bandits are being sent away. That is why you people diverted all the things that you sent to southeast, southwest, south. You people have not started. You have not started. You are going to see the more. When Isba is destroying alcohol that are belonging to the Igbos, that are belonging to the Yorubas. You people don't know. More is coming. Now let us go to another news. The IGP asked Igbo leaders to caution IPOB Eastern Security Network. You people have not started. You have not started. You have not started. The Inspector General of Police, the IGP, Abubakar Adamu, has asked the Igbo leaders, Igbo political leaders, not Igbo leaders, so Igbo political leaders, those ones that are serving the Fulanis like housemates. Igbo leaders, religious and the traditional leaders to caution the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra. Who told you they are proscribed? You people proscribe them, not nobody proscribed them except you people. On their activities in the southeast region of Nigeria, the IGP gave the council on Tuesday, March 2nd in Oka when he spoke during the ongoing Anambra State Security Summit. I know you will be invited in Anambra. I know. The IGP Adamu, who was represented by the Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of finance and administration, those ones that take all the houses and abandon the Igbos and the Yorubas. Yes. And he is Joseph Obunike. Ebunike. I know he will send an Igbo man to come and die. because he will not come. Joseph Ebunike advised the group that freedom will not be achieved through violent means. Who told you? When you people don't want people don't want peace, you want to you kill protesters that are armless. You kill them. You say violence will not get anything. Violence will get something, because you people have made the Biafrans, the Yorubas, to pick up arms, and it will not stop until all they are looking for will be achieved. It can't stop. You people have raised the war. They are beating the gong of war, and all of them are dancing it. You see it. You see it. He also wants that imagine trend of killing policemen and burning police stations in the southeast will no longer be tolerated. If it will no longer be tolerated, come to the southeast and take care of that place. If it will not be tolerated, come to the southeast and stay there. Not being in Abuja, where you are secured, and bringing Igbo people to come against their brothers and die for nothing. I warn you people that this rain that is coming will beat Aboki and beat the person who is chasing the llama himself, the cow. He will beat Aboki and beat the cow. So my dear people, this is where I am not going to go too far. This is where we are going to draw a curtain to this news today. Please subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell button for more notification as we wait for other news to come. God bless you anywhere you are. Please support Biafra. Share this news across to everyone. Thank you.